Welcome to Body Healthy Elements. Our hands will lose their elasticity and aging. The reason for this is that they suffer from photo-aging and daily aggression, such as using dish soap and washing hands frequently. These two things, together, can affect your skin. The most common hazards are wrinkles, reducing skin thickness, and sunspots. Did you know that most people do not take any action to slow down this process? Most people don't take care of their hands with the same attention they have to their faces. Therefore, if you want to reduce the appearance of old hands, you can use these simple and effective homemade medicines. Today we will share with you the 5 main homemade solutions for wrinkly hands. If you found this video valuable, smash the like button and share it with your friends. Best 5 simple tips to make your hands look younger. Number 1. Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender oil is very effective in treating wrinkles. Its high levels of antioxidants protect the skin from harmful free radicals and ultraviolet rays. Mix 4 or 5 drops of lavender essential oil in 2 tablespoons of warm extra virgin olive oil. Massage your hands in the morning, just after taking a shower. Do it again every day before going to bed. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil has many culinary uses, but this healthy fat can also make your hands very soft and wrinkle-free. It nourishes the skin, and its high levels of vitamin E, together with essential fats, can stimulate collagen production and reduce wrinkles. In addition, this oil can also eliminate premature aging signs. Apply olive oil on your hands and massage for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, put on cotton gloves to keep your hands moisturized. Do it every day before going to bed. Wash your hands with warm water the next morning. Number 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is also very effective in treating wrinkles. It has moisturizers that can help maintain the water on the skin and also prevent signs of premature aging, such as wrinkles. Aloe vera gel also contains polysaccharides that stimulate skin regeneration. Remove the gel from fresh aloe vera leaves. Apply it on your hands with a gentle massage. Leave it on your skin for 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Do it once a day. Number 4. Ripe banana. Ripe bananas are a great thing for wrinkled hands due to their moisturizing properties. Rich in vitamins A, B, and E, iron, magnesium, zinc, and potassium, it can help with the rejuvenation of the skin and fight wrinkles. Mash 1 ripe banana and apply the resulting paste on your hands. Let it act for 30 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. Do it once a day. Number 5. Avocado. Another fruit that can make your hands soft and wrinkle-free is avocado. Avocado is rich in antioxidants and has powerful anti-aging properties that can eliminate wrinkles and keep your hands soft. It can also improve the production of collagen, which makes your skin firm and elastic. Massage your hands with avocado oil every day before going to sleep. Let it stay overnight and wash your hands in the morning. Are these ways simple? Will you try them? Do you have other methods that can stimulate skin regeneration? Share with us in the comments below. Maybe you can find some ideas in our other video. 12 foods that make your skin look younger. If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Body Healthy Elements. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.